You're watching one of the most talked about altcoins in 2025, Pi Network's Pi token. Despite a recent dip, investor interest remains high. In fact, many are now expecting a potential 200% surge in its value, but is that realistic? Let's break down everything you need to know about Pi Network's price action, technical indicators, and what's really driving investor sentiment. Over the past 24 hours, the Pi coin has dropped by 1.35%, trading at around $0.6360. The market cap currently sits at $4.69 billion, with a 24-hour trading volume of $52.75 million, showing a significant intraday change of 23.85%. Now, while this might sound concerning, it's important to zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Despite the recent pullback, Pi Network still shows strong momentum, delivering a solid YTD return of 62.73%. And although it's currently trading at a 78.63% discount from its all-time low of $2.98, many investors remain optimistic. Why? Because history shows that the Pi token has seen multiple surges since its launch, driven largely by updates, community engagement, and growing adoption. Let's dive into the charts and see what they're telling us. During the first half of May, we saw a sharp rise in trading volume, indicating strong buying pressure and price movement. However, since then, the volume has cooled off, leading to a sideways price action, which often signals a consolidation phase before the next big move. Right now, the bands have narrowed significantly after a major price drop in May. This usually points to low volatility and consolidation. The price is currently hovering in the lower half of the Bollinger Bands, suggesting weak short-term momentum. The BBP shows a consistent negative trend, meaning bullish pressure is fading for now. But here's the twist. Despite this bearish signal, community optimism continues to grow, hinting at a possible reversal on the horizon. If the bulls manage to regain control, the Pi token could retest its major resistance level at $1.1750, mirroring the price action seen back in May. And if the hype builds further, especially with new project updates or increased global adoption, the token could even push toward its next key resistance zone at $1.86, which would represent a massive 200% surge from its current price. But don't expect that kind of move overnight. A rally to $1.86 would likely require a major catalyst, like a strategic partnership, platform upgrade, or broader market rally. For now, the immediate resistance stands at 85 cents. If the price breaks through, it could open the door for more gains. However, if the bears take over, the token may fall back to test a critical support level near $0.5155, something investors should keep an eye on closely. One of the biggest strengths of Pi Network is its massive global user base. Millions of users have already joined the network via the mobile app, making it one of the most widely adopted blockchain projects in terms of community size. This grassroots adoption gives Pi Network a unique edge, especially as the team continues rolling out new features and upgrades aimed at improving utility and real-world use cases. So where does Pi Network go from here? While the short-term outlook appears mixed, the long-term potential remains strong, especially if the team can deliver on future promises and the broader crypto market continues its recovery. Whether you're a believer or just watching from the sidelines, one thing is clear: the story of Pi Network is far from over. What do you think? Is the 200% surge possible? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into the top cryptocurrencies shaping the market in 2025.